Hi, this is Mark with ValueCharts.com. This is probably one of my favorite signals that I end up seeing over time in the markets. And basically what this is this involves a market that has sold off, in this case, for a considerable amount of time, and then created lows here, and then had a brief little consolidation or a little bit of bounce. And we actually bought this bounce here and put a break-even stop in, and I was stopped out on that bounce. And then you see a kind of a charge to clean out all of the sell stops below this most recent low, which is right at the 341.5 level here in January 2013 natural gas. So the idea is that you have a market that's been downtrending a little bit, or just had a recent sizable down move, and then you have a little bit of consolidation here, and then you have this big bar here that shoots down. We're looking at a 120-minute chart, gets into moderately undervalued, takes out all of the stops below the most recent low. In this case, that low was right here at the 341.5 level, and essentially kind of stalls out here. So it doesn't really pick up steam and really start to fall off here. And then you have a combination of a higher momentum indicator reading, referencing the MQ momentum indicator here. So this is a great buy signal. I actually was looking at buying this market, and I bought down here at the 399.50 level. When it was down there, I was stopped out at my previous attempt, and then I was decided to see that as an opportunity to get back in, and ended up buying it there. And then we've had a really nice bounce back surge here. So that has worked out nicely so far. I'm profitable on the trade. Now, looking at a daily basis, you're going to see the context that I'm talking about here. So we've seen a fairly dramatic sell-off here. We're also seeing the potential bullish divergence taking place with the histogram on the MQ momentum indicator as well. So combining that, I was also aware of that in the context of the background. I was aware that the current price levels are moderately undervalued on a daily basis, and then combine that with a 120-minute chart that we just looked at, and oftentimes those can create excellent trading opportunities. The challenge is just being patient enough to wait for those to come along. We saw another one here that worked out really nicely, where back on the 19th of October, we took out the previous highs barely, traded up into moderately overvalued on a daily basis, and then reversed down hard. So very little risk on that as well. That's all I have for this video. This is a great trading signal that you ought to keep an eye out for, with the combining value bars with old highs and lows in the markets, and these end up being very low risk potential trades. There's always risk and high reward trades. So that's all we have. Good luck trading. Thanks for watching.